Hey everybody and welcome back. If you wanna enable the Chrome's Ask About the Space shortcut and you are looking out how, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's get started. We can start by opening up the Chrome browser for that, and once you open up the Chrome, what you may do is just go over and type in Chrome in flags and switch to this tab right here, and this should open up. Now in the search flags box you can just go and type in omnibox and I got 4 suggestions. Type in omnibox contextual suggestions, this one right here, and enable it. Select this option of default and enable it, and you can relaunch your Chrome browser. So go ahead and relaunch your Chrome browser, and once you relaunch your Chrome browser you'll be finding it being enabled. So what you can do is you can just go over and restart your browser, and you can look out for the changes that may be appearing here. So you can look out for those. This is usually how you do it. Once you enable it, the feature may be available under certain circumstances. So you can just go over and look out it for here. So when you type in within here, you can just go over to the search and go to the text content where you want to analyze, and you can look out for that feature. It is only available under certain circumstances. You can just go over and do so. Or what you can do is you can go to the navigate the web page you want to ask about, and click anywhere inside the address bar. And once you go to the address bar, you can just go over and select the option of ask Google about the space. If that option is available, you can just go over and find it up, and AI feature will open up in the side panel of your browser where you can enter the questions about the content, and that is how you do it. That is everybody. You just need to go to the experiments page and enable this option of Omnibox contextual suggestions, and just go over and do so, and that should probably work for you. So make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorial